We got into Tucson. It's been a little bit clunky getting here. Some flight changes and got here a little bit like a day late. So it'll be a short trip, but this was the room we originally booked. We got upgraded to a suite, but they didn't have it ready. So they put us in here until it was ready. So we're gonna go upstairs to our suite and get settled in up there for the weekend. Blue good man.
Pretty nice. Let's see what the bathroom situation looks like here. Shower, bathroom, bathtub, Christopher and I can wave to each other. I get one patio, you get the other patio.
It's like they read our mind. We're just talking about snacks, and they bring us a charcuterie board and wine and cookies.
For our clunky travels.
Yeah, and maybe because we're planning.
We got wine and a cheese board and some macaroons and a card.
It's like a
Oh, that's
salted cheddar.
better.
It's not. It doesn't taste like I'm licking a salt.
Electrolytes.
Yeah. So yeah, don't be afraid to come to Tucson in the summer.
And
If you're used to 100
reasonable
degrees.
rates and some really expensive rates to stay at the Ritz Carlton.
Yeah.
Save like $600 to $700 a night, which ain't too shabby. Not that I would pay $600 to $700 a night. We got some yummy food. Sushi, short ribs, not short ribs, and harissa chicken. Dig in. 10 out of 10. Going for an evening stroll.
Yeah, it's nice out.
Yeah, no sun, no wind. Probably like 80 something degrees out here still, but feels nice. Not paying $20 for s'mores though.
No.
Skipping out on that part. And it keeps on going. Look at that. It's so tall. It took 7 seconds to scan up to the top of the cactus.
Wow, that's a big cactus.
Yeah. Don't want to give it a hug.
No.
We're losing light. Fun first day so far, though.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Wrapping up day one. It's still been pretty relaxing. Obviously, getting here was a little clunky, but it's been nice since we got here.
Good morning. We're enjoying our coffee, hanging out on our relaxing weekend. We'll take you along for the day.
Javelina watching. So far, nothing.
But there was a tortoise yesterday evening right over there, so we'll have to see if we can find one.
Yeah, they'll come out and cool off.
landscape.
You're facing the wrong way. The show's over there.
Storm is a-coming. It's getting windy.
It's getting less nice real quick here.
It's getting dark. It's kind of fun though. I love desert thunderstorms. They're like some of my favorite.
Well, you can hang out here and record and let me know how it is when it's over.
Okay. See you later. Bye. This one's getting brave again. Look at them. There's little babies too. Right there. We found some
wildlife.
Yeah, we always do. Here's Penny. That one's Penny right there. Yeah. We are at the spa, having a little spa day. There is separate men and women's wet areas, so they have a sauna, a steam room, and a hot tub with a little bit of a cool shower and then like a relaxation area. And then they have some indoor rooms and then a co-ed pool and hot tub area outside. So we'll show you that next, but we're having a great last day, just relaxing. As you can see, I am like sweaty central from doing all the hot, so I'm gonna go cool off and then maybe do it all over, and then I have a facial and Chris has a massage. This is the outdoor co-ed pool area. Lots of seating, obviously just lots of nature. And they have some like cabanas, and then obviously a hot tub. I'm gonna cool off and then head back and do some more hot.